Okay, good morning everyone. Nice to see you again. Now we continue our lesson again in the possible outcome. Yeah, talking about tree diagram. At the end of this session, you will be able to identify possible outcome using a tree diagram and also use tree diagram in helping to finding the probability. Okay, review. Just do this exercise. You will have 15 minutes, a little bit short, but I hope you will try your best. In a game, a player spins the pointer twice. His final score is the larger of the two individual scores if they are different, and their common value if they are the same. The possibility diagram below shows the player's final score. 1. Complete the possibility diagram. 2. Using the diagram, find the probability that his final score is even. 3. Using the same diagram, find the probability that his final score is a prime number. This is a spinner. You recognize it. This is just the same exercise in the first session. And this is just the possibility diagram, which given two answers for you already, and you have to complete the rest. Okay, just do this for 15 minutes and then send me back. After that, you can check the answers in the PDF file. Okay, since this is just the video that I explained about the lesson, so I just move to the solution quickly. Okay, solution 1. Construct the possibility diagram. Okay, this is just the tables given already. Yeah, the spinner is spun twice, so the score represents 1, 2, 3 for the first spin, and another one also 1, 2, 3 for the second spin. They said that if they are common value, we'll get it directly. If represent two different values, choose the larger one. So this is 1, 1, the same thing, that's why they get 1. And the other answer is 3 because of the first spinner get 2 and the second spinner get 3. So the larger number is 3, that's why we get 3. So for next, the answer here is 2 because of the first spinner is 2 and the second span here is 1. So 2 and 1, 1 is greater than 2 is greater than, sorry. So we choose 2 to be the answer. So all the answers in here, we just recognize like 2, 2 the same, so we choose 2. And beside that, we can get like this. Yeah, 1, 3, so 3 bigger, choose 3. 2, 3, 3 bigger, choose 3. 3, 1, 3, 3 bigger, and 3, 3 the same. So this is just the answer. Okay, from the possibility diagram, we can identify that there are 9 numbers or 9 possible outcomes. So if we let C to denote the E1, his final score is E1, we will get N of C is equal to 3. Yeah, even number we have 2 here. Yeah, 3 number, 3 result. So and C equal 3, and PC it will be equal to NC over NS. So 3 over 9. Simplify, get 1 over 3. The next, number 3, we let D denote the 1. His final score is a prime number. So N of D, prime number, like you know what's a prime number. So 1 is not a prime number, and beside that they are prime number. So there are 8 number are prime number, so we get 8 over 9 as the probability of his final score is a prime number. Okay, move to our lesson today. Point B, tree diagram. So what is tree diagram? Okay, just imagine a tree. It has many branch. Yeah. So tree diagram refer to the branch of the line that they call tree diagram. Just use the above question in the review. Draw a tree diagram to represent the possibility outcome. So in the possibility diagram, in the beginning we have as a table. Right now we need to use it by using a tree diagram. So how to construct it? So we have 2 span. The first span we have three possible answer as number 1, number 2, and number 3. This is it for the first span. There are 3 results, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and for the second span we also have 1, 2, 3, but we combine with the first span too. We just consider about the possible case. If the first span get 1, the second span will get 1, or it can be 2, or it can be 3. This is just choices. So give the result as, okay, 1 for the first span and 1 for the second span. So 1, 1, 1 for the 1 here for the first span and 2 here for the second span. So we get 1, 2, and next we get the same thing like that. Yeah, like 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, and so on until 3, 3. This is just the result, but what we are talking about just the score. Yeah, just his final score. So the final score, they said that if the same, we will choose it directly. Yeah, so 1, 1 the same, we get 1, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 is greater than. These 2 are different, so we choose the bigger one. So it is 2, and then is it 3, and then is it 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Yeah, this is his final score. Okay, so it's time for you to practice for doing the exercise. Okay, in a game, the player threw a game again, yeah, threw a coin and a 6-faced die simultaneously. If the coin shows a head, the player's score is the score on the die. If the coin shows a tail, then the player's score is twice the score on the die. Yeah, read it carefully. Okay, A. Use a tree diagram to represent the experiment. B. Use the diagram, find the probability that the player's score is 1. A multiple of 3, 2. Less than or equal to 8, 3. A prime number. Okay, just start doing this exercise for 20 minutes, everyone, and submit it back. Yeah, thank you for your cooperation. Just do not forget, next week on Monday we are going to do a quiz about what we have learned in chapter 12. Thank you. Goodbye, everyone. Good luck.